guys, from the list of ultimate comfort food, I'm making mutton curry and dumplings. In your pot, add your oil, onion and biryani mix and mix it well, breaking up the onion. Fry this on high till the onions are golden brown. Then add in your tomatoes, ginger and garlic, curry leaf, and chili paste or fresh chilies, that's up to you, and cook on high till the tomatoes have completely softened. You can skip ahead to the next step here, but I like to stop here and transfer this to my blender jug. This is just for my kids. I blend it and strain it back into the pot so that they don't get any onions and tomatoes. Then add in your salt and masala. Fry the masala for a few seconds and then add in your meat. Mix it well, add in some additional liquid, mix it again and allow it to cook on high till the meat is completely softened. For me that takes about 30 to 40 minutes. Then add in your potatoes, mix it and add in some water till the potatoes are almost cooked. Then we're going to make our dumpling mixture by adding in the flour, salt, baking powder and ground cumin into a bowl, and then using cold water we're going to make a sticky batter. When your potatoes are 3/4 of the way done, so soft but not quite soft, we're going to use a spoon or an ice cream scoop to scoop in the dumpling mixture just randomly around the pot. Cook for 5 minutes. Then turn your dumplings over and cook for another 5 minutes with the lid closed. And then it's ready to serve. Enjoy!